Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 13th July 2026, Animasam 29th. That is Animasam, Midhunamasam 29th. Parabhava Nama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Grishmardo, Animasam, that is Midhunamasam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 6:51 p.m. Chaturdashi, then Amavasya. Monday, that is Somavasram, Nakshatram up to tomorrow morning 3:48 a.m. Tiruvadirai, then Punarbhusham. Today's Rahuvalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Guligalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam for Vrichika Rashi. Shulam East. Prayachittam Kard. Sradhatadi Chaturdashi. Today Bodhayana Amavasya. And tomorrow we are conducting Bhadragali, Pratingara and Mahavarahi Homam as a special auspicious day of Amavasya. All are welcome. Om Sri Matre Namaha. മാറി നിൽക്കാൻ പൊക്ക കാണട്ടെ.